I'm going to wear the It's Real Manuka Honey face mask by Innisfree. I really like the Innisfree facial masks. So this is what the mask looks like on. It's pretty scary, like a ghost. Am I scaring you? Anyways, the honey is a very thin consistency, thinner than what I thought, because you know honey is quite thick, so I thought maybe the serum would be thick on the sheet mask. But in general, I like the Innisfree mask. My favorite is the avocado and the shea butter ones because they're very hydrating and they're milky. Like the serum is milky. But anyway. Oh, I also remember that I like the bamboo and the bija one. In case you want to try them.
Enjoy your food.
I know you can do it!
I can do it! How?
How what?
How do you know she can do it? If you know the first thing about Germany, you know that she probably can't do it, and she's going to hurt herself trying.
I was just trying to be positive.
No, you were just trying to have her walk away thinking, oh, wow, what a great person.
But you and I both know the truth.
What truth? That you're not a great person. Every single thing you've ever done is designed to make me feel like crap. I mean, isn't that why you really came here this weekend?
I came here this weekend to tell you I'm having a baby.
Well, congratulations on making yet another human being who will think you're better than me.
We are at, or I'm at, Osaka with some ladies, and we're not in the city Osaka. We're in the restaurant called Osaka in Udine, and this is my favorite Japanese restaurant or Asian restaurant because it's not strictly Japanese in Udine. The barca for 3 people, which means the boat for 3 people. And look at these cases of Fisherman's Friends that you can get an entire case of, and there's like
It's not that you can, you have to. You cannot
25 inside, 25 packs in a case.
For 17 euros.
17 euros though. And this is the first day that it snowed. And hopefully it's the last. I don't want it to stay this cold. But Enrico, are you driving too fast? Enrico went to get chains to put on the tires from his father's house, but he didn't put them on because he doesn't know how to put them on.
No, because there is no snow.
And there is still snow. And just wait a few hours. What happens if all of this water freezes?
Then we put the snow.
The chains? But you don't know how to put them on.
Hey, we will find.
Okay, we're going to a friend's house for dinner, so maybe somebody can help Enrico. You can eat prosciutto like that. This is called grissini. I have the eyebrow makeup on. Okay, so we came to a friend's house for dinner, and look, I made cupcakes like that. Nothing special. That's kind of like a mint icing on top. And we have the grissini with prosciutto. This one is grissini with prosciutto. Some bread with some, I think, tomato sauce. Tomato kind of pesto-y sauce. And then cheese with mostarda, which is like marmalade, but it's spicy. It's a spicy kind of marmalade. Kind of like a wasabi kind of spicy taste. They say he's shy.
Amelie, cosa succede?
Amelie?
Amelie.
Hi, Amelie.